sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. An ancient Hawaiian prayer, hooponopono. Hi everyone, this is Gitika Bhatia. Welcome back to our channel DIVINESPECT. So today we are talking about this hooponopono magical prayer. How does it work? See, every time, in every situation of your life, for yourself, if you want to correct the situation, you need to take the responsibility. Whatever is going wrong in your life, just take the responsibility. Never say it, never blame anyone else. That is the only mantra, that is the only fundamental. If this prayer, hooponopono, is saying this, that you need to take the responsibility, that is something you are saying, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for this situation. I'm sorry to create this problem. Now please forgive me, universe. And I thank you that you have fixed everything. You have corrected everything in my life. And I love you for that. So you need to show the love to the universe as well. So this is something you can do it for yourself. But there are situations wherein you see somebody else, your loved ones, or maybe somebody who is not attached to you so much, but still when you see, they may be the strangers, but when you see them in the problem and you want to solve their problem, very eagerly you say that yes, I want to solve this problem. Why that person is in the pain? Sometimes a lot of our viewers ask that the problem is of somebody else, and I am not at all connected with this problem, not at all concerned with this problem, but still I want to solve it. So how can I take the responsibility? So I want to tell you that when you have thought of that their problem, something, it is hurting you, it is touching you, and you want to solve it, you want to make it fixed, that means you are very much connected with that problem somehow. Because we all are energy. And energy of the universe is just one, is totally same. Whatever is me, that is you. Whatever is you, that is me. So the energy is totally same. That's the reason when we just hear it, somebody else's problem, maybe across the world, and we get hurt. Why this happened to that particular country or city or place or people? Because we all are connected. So that is very much possible when you get hurt from someone else's problem, and you can do the prayers, take the responsibility for them and heal them. That the effect of healing, that result definitely will go to them as well and fix their life, their situation. So how you need to do it? If someone is having some problem, some disease maybe, if it is related to health, so in that scenario you can take the responsibility. I am so sorry, universe, for the situation. I'm taking the responsibility. I am the responsible person. It happened because of me, and please forgive me for this now, and thank you so much. You have fixed it. You made this person perfectly fine, healthy and fit, and visualize that thing. That person is totally fine, and then say I love you. The same thing the patient can do, and the same thing you can do for the patient, and you will see very soon. Just need to keep the trust on that universe, that power, that ultimate energy, and you will see the results very soon. Just keep the treatment go on, let the patient take the medicines, but with that, do this prayer with the 100% trust and faith. Results will be there. So these are some health related problems, you can do this. Some finance related problem, it's with you, you can do it. It's with somebody else, you can do it. It hardly matters, like if you are responsible for that problem at that particular time or not, but right now you are taking the responsibility, because maybe we are not aware of, but somehow, somewhere, we are surely responsible for that particular situation. That's the reason we are getting hurt with that problem. So try this magical prayer and you will see the results. You will see the magic. You will see the miracles. All right, so please write your experiences in the personal comment box, and we will read it, and we'll be more than happy when you will find any sort of positive results very soon. And just need to keep the trust, faith. You will surely see the positive results in your life. All right, thanks for watching. Once again, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Have a great day.